Israeli fighter jets on Thursday continued intensive airstrikes on the Gaza Strip for a third day in a row in response to rockets fired towards Israel, leaving 28 Palestinians dead and 93 injured. That's according to an updated casualty toll provided by Palestinian medics and security officials. The exchange of fire was between Israel and the Joint Chamber of Military Operations, which comprises several Palestinian factions' armed wings, including the Palestinian Islamic Jihad and the Islamic Resistance Movement. It came after a surprising Israeli airstrike in the Gaza Strip on Tuesday killed 3 senior PIJ leaders. Meanwhile, on Thursday, an Israeli man was killed as rockets from Gaza hit a residential building in southern Israel after 2 Palestinian rocket commanders were killed by Israeli airstrikes early in the day.
Here I'm in the southern Israeli city of Ashkelon, which was attacked by rockets from the Gaza Strip in this round of conflicts between Israel and the Palestinians. Just a few minutes ago, I saw a rocket explode up in the sky. Since Wednesday afternoon, hundreds of rockets have been fired from there towards Israel after Israeli armies launched fatal airstrikes at the coastal enclave.
Amid the worst spate of violence between Israel and Palestinians in months, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said on Thursday night that Israel's military campaign in the Gaza Strip will continue as long as necessary. According to the Palestinian sources, Egypt, Qatar and the UN are mediating a ceasefire between Israel and Hamas-led militant groups, including the PIJ, but failed to reach an agreement on ending this round of tension.